So today we will write question answers. We will continue with the yesterday work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken out your pen pencils? Fine. So we were writing.
थर्ड आंसर में आप हाफ करा दिया था.
Okay. Is this visible? The color?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what is the next question? I thought it is
No, ma'am. You can continue the question.
question number
Question
third.
number 3.
Question number 3. So we have done half of the work. Half of the answer we have written.
Yeah, ma'am. In question number 3, ma'am, question number 3 अभी पूरा नहीं हुआ है. Also tried for building a weak wall. क्या आगे लिखना था?
5. Is this correct?
मैम इन नहीं है.
The kingdom of fools only?
मैम फिर इन क्यों लिखा है?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I was just looking. Are you aware of or not? Maybe?
Yes.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, we will continue. How much we have written? The owner of the house, the merchant, the bricklayer. Week wall तक हमने complete किया है.
Yes, ma'am. Weak wall.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am. Ma'am, the merchant was tried and also tried for building a weak wall.
Fine, fine, ठीक है. Check yourself. जहाँ तक आपने लिखा है उसके बाद में continue कर लीजिए. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
The bricklayer was tried for doing his work carelessly. The dancing girl was tried for. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
fine. Then what is question 4?
Who is the real culprit according to the king? Why does he escape punishment?
Okay, so any idea?
Ma'am, the real culprit according to the king was merchant.
Merchant. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And why he was trying to escape?
Ma'am, because he didn't had any fault.
नहीं, how he escaped? How he escaped? मतलब किस
He
तरीके से
escaped
escape
by
हो पाया?
telling that it is the house of his father and this house is by a bricklayer and his father is already dead.
Okay. Fine. और उसको punishment क्यों नहीं दिया गया? Why does he escape from punishment? Because he was very thin. He was not fit in the stake, right?
Yes, ma'am. बट मैम बोला तो ये भी गया था कि स्टेक पे वो भी मारा जाएगा और वो जो फैट पर्सन है वो भी. Ma'am, can you get side?
1 second. Visible?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Till the bottom?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I rub this? Remove? Answer
Yes,
3?
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
One thing what I wanted to tell you कि आप लोग please don't share your notes. Everybody has to come. ठीक है? Everybody has to join class क्योंकि सबके लिए available है तो all the students must come. Please don't share your work. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask one thing. मैम जो इंग्लिश में वर्ड होता है कल्प्रिट उसके अंदर दो स्पेलिंग्स यूज करते हैं. एक होती है CULPRIT और एक होती है CULPRINT. तो दोनों सही होती है.
आई एम वेरी मच अवेयर ऑफ दिस ओनली. आई लेट यू नो कि अगर इस तरीके का कोई कंफ्यूजन है देन आई विल मेक यू क्लियर. फाइन?
ओके ओके मैम.
What is question 5?
What are the Guru's words of wisdom? When does the disciple remember them?
Okay. क्या वर्ड्स थे उसके? एनीबडी? दिस इज नो प्लेस ऑफ
Ma'am, it's not a place of criminals. It's a place of goodness. मतलब the person who will be killed will become the king first.
नो नो नो
And
नो, स्टार्टिंग में when he observed the town or the city, तब उसने अपने डिसाइपल को क्या बोला था कि दिस इज नॉट द perfect place for us.
good people. It's a place of fools. It's a kingdom
हाँ,
of fools.
exactly, this place is not for us. Let's go.
अभी पैराग्राफ चेंज करना है यहाँ पे.
यस.
Okay.
Fit for what? Found him fit.
State.
Good. Without. Was he the criminal or he was in fault? राइट. तो जो गुरु थे उसके वर्ड्स क्या थे कि दिस इज नो प्लेस फॉर अस. ये हमारे जैसे लोगों के लिए नहीं है, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट नोइंग वो कब क्या कर देंगे, कौन सा डिसीजन ले लेंगे जो कि सही नहीं होगा, एज दे वर फूल. राइट. तो यहाँ पर उसको द डिसाइपल रिमेम्बर्स दैट जब उसको ले जाते हैं बिना किसी रीजन के, बिना किसी फॉल्ट के, ओनली बिकॉज दैट ही इज अ फैट, और वो उसमें फिट आ जाएगा. राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? Should
Ma'am, the
I?
next question is, how does the Guru manage to share his difficult life.
Okay. So I'm waiting for 1 minute. You have to write. You people write a whole answer and then I will start. Right?
मैम ये विदाउट
Okay,
से
ma'am.
क्या
Hmm?
विदाउट से
Without. It is without. Actually the ये पेन स्लिप हो रहा था. This one ना.
यस मैम
हाँ ये नहीं. It is only T. OUT. Without.
ओके
So is there any MCQs at the back of the
No, ma'am.
book? No.
No, ma'am.
All the books are newly published.
Yes, ma'am.
या ओल्ड
Yes,
वन है
ma'am.
आप लोगों के पास? ओल्ड बुक्स हैं आपकी या फिर नई पब्लिशिंग है?
मैम मैंने तो न्यू बुक बाय किया अमेज़न से.
ओके तो उसके पीछे नहीं दिए हुए एमसीक्यूज नहीं दिए हुए?
नो मैम. और मैम वो मैंने
ओके देन रीड ऑल द चैप्टर्स थॉरोली विच आर कमिंग इन द यूटीज. ठीक है, आई विल गिव द fill in the blanks and true false from the inside of the chapter. Everybody has written?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I remove?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
Now write answer 6. He tells something in a whisper to him was a plan. Right? कि किस तरीके से हमें अपने आप को बचाना है, किस तरीके से एस्केप करना है. What was the request? To put him?
Ma'am, he requests the king to put them on stage.
Put him first.
And telling his disciples.
तभी तो फाइट शुरू होगी. Right till here, I thought the time is over, then you will get late for your test. Fine?
यस मैम, अगर आगे है तो करा दो क्योंकि अभी मैम ने लिंक नहीं भेजी।
Okay, fine.
और मैम आपकी 35 पे खत्म हुई है, अभी 5 मिनट्स हैं।
Okay, okay.
मैम जब भेजेगी तो हम बता देंगे।
Thank you. The king is puzzled. He asks the guru. To solve this mystery. The guru says that whoever dies first will be reborn as the king of this country. And whoever dies second will be reborn as minister. The next day, the king and the minister owing to greed means लालच में आके, right? Put themselves
मैम आपने लिखा है तो मैंने पैराग्राफ चेंज कर लिया।
on the stake. No worries.
और आफ्टर ऑफ दिस कंट्री।
हाँ हाँ. It is right. Thus, the guru, इस तरीके से गुरु ने क्या किया? Manages what?
सॉल्व कर ली।
To save
right.
his disciple. Is this written? This much?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the time is 34.
Then complete it.
Yes, ma'am, sir, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So I'm leaving you for 1 minute early for your test preparation. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Should I leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, 55 हो गए.
Okay.